face back here. They're going to try a couple problems for me to make sure you can apply it well. It's time for Mo Money Momentum. Friends, are you paying attention? You should. Thanks, Dana. All right. You know about momentum because it involves impacts. Step one, please try to remember what letter momentum stands for. You got about 15 seconds. In the name of God, you go. What letter is momentum? If you guys know, you can shout it out as well.
P.
Physics next year? I'm so happy to see you.
Yeah.
If you're not taking physics and you are a, I believe it's called Latin, a loser. All right, who feels comfortable telling me what letter it is? Sonali. P. And mathematically, it's really simple. It's just mass times velocity. MV. Units, kilograms, meters per second. But now I need you to think. How did I make you organize your math when it came to this? What did we do to organize ourselves when it came to this? Try to predict what I'm about to draw.
Chart.
What came in?
People.
What kind of table?
Momentum table.
Wow. You might remember on the top we have had a couple things. For example, it would say object 1, object 2, and then we write down, say it with a mouthful. We would definitely say sister. Because looking for you in college, I studied food. Talking through food. So it's really good. No, I did not. And then we looked at before and after situation. Before and after. So let's take some random numbers, okay? Help me out if you don't mind, Mohammed. Give me a random number that's like less than 20.
8.
Mohammed, you're really going to throw your voice.
12.
12. Now, is it possible to have negative momentum? Think for a moment. Is it possible to have negative momentum? Is it possible to have negative momentum?
Yeah.
Edie, what do you think?
Yes, because you can have negative velocity.
Negative velocity, aka negative direction, same thing. So let's say I have -4 here. What should my system momentum be?
Negative 48. The opposite 48.
You add them.
It's yours.
Huh?
You add them.
Why?
Because if I have 12 and you have -4, our system, or both of them combined up. And if it's isolated, what can I say next? Okay, now make up a number here. Give me a positive number, huh? Yeah, give me a positive number. What should this one be then? 2.
Oh, right.
All right, so that was the first part, wasn't too bad. And then we talked about what the change of momentum is called. This is a very special word.
Impulse.
It is. And we need a special symbol for this. Well, momentum is P, change is delta. We call this delta P. Now, do me a favor. From 12 to 2, looking at this first object up here, again, from 12 to 2, from 12 to 2. Deborah, what time is it? Nope, it's 12 to 2 right here. Can you please figure out how much this object changed by? How much momentum this thing changed by? Make sure you have the right sign and amount, aka magnitude and direction. And come kind of in the middle. Okay. Going from 12 to 2, are you changing by positive or negative momentum? How much? Okay. So this has an impulse of -10. That's the impulse here. What about from -4 to 6? Can you please figure out how much impulse that is? Take about 30 seconds. Your hands are like you, awesome, but it shouldn't be raised right. It's good haters. You know, I'm going to go back to teaching prizes again. That was actually fun. You leave me, Deb? Hey, you have to come see me before the end, though. Girl, today? Or like... Okay. Will, come tell uncomfortable here. What is it? Positive 10. And what's the system impulse then? 0, which means it's isolated. This changed by negative 10. This changed by positive 10. The system is 0. And the last thing we did with this is we said impulse is force times time. So if you know the time here, you can find the force because the impulse here is negative 10. If you know the time, you can find the force here because the impulse is positive 10. I would like you to help me juggle and try questions 1, 2, 3, 4 in the next about 15 minutes. However, you are going to form no more than 10 groups or individuals. I don't care. No more than 10 groups together. When you walk around.